Wearable Devices will showcase its MadraLink Neural Input Wristband at the XR Fair Tokyo 2025, a leading B2B exhibition dedicated to technologies and solutions in virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, mixed reality, and the broader metaverse ecosystem. The event will take place at the Tokyo Big Sight Convention and Exhibition Center in Tokyo from July 2nd to July 4th. MadraLink is a neural input wristband that enables hands-free, gesture-based control of digital devices using neural signals. It works seamlessly across platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS, and is natively compatible with leading AR glasses such as Zreal, Rokid, Rayneo, Virtue, and TCL, and can be paired with the Apple Vision Pro. Recognized with a CES 2025 Innovation Award, MadraLink has received strong media praise for its intuitive interface, low latency performance, and ability to bridge neural input with spatial computing. The company's technology is offered across two distinct markets, MadraLink and MadraBand for B2C consumers, enabling intuitive, touchless control of Bluetooth HID-compatible platforms and the Apple ecosystem, and the Madra Development Kit for B2B enterprises, allowing companies to integrate neural gesture control into their own products and applications, supporting custom interaction experiences across AR, XR, and smart environments. Shmuel Beryl, Chief Marketing Officer of Wearable Devices, emphasized that gestures like tap, pinch, and wrist flick are becoming the most natural way to control smart glasses and face-worn devices. He highlighted that wrist-based gesture control is quickly becoming a standard, and Wearable Devices has led this shift with years of innovation and real-world deployment. In addition to showcasing MadraLink, Wearable Devices has also announced the expansion of its Large Motor Unit Action Potential Model, LMM, into new potential markets, such as predictive health monitoring and cognitive state analytics. This development will enable the broadening of biosignal intelligence applications beyond wearables and will offer businesses and healthcare providers access to real-time physiological insights for monitoring health and wellness conditions. The company's AI-powered biosignal data platform is expected to enable businesses to develop custom applications tailored to healthcare and sports for athletic performance optimization, integrate real-time physiological insights into enterprise solutions to enhance safety, performance, and productivity, and leverage LMM's AI engine to continuously refine predictive health and interaction models. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.